you. Right here. Oh, yeah. Okay. Your drain plug's right here. There's your drain. That's your drain plug, and there's your filler. It looks like it holds quite a bit, because if your drain plug's way over here, and your filler's way over here, so it holds quite a bit of fluid. I just looked at it, and that's basically why the JB Weld is so obsolete now, because all the other epoxies harden within like 15-20 minutes. It says allow 4 hours for it to set up, and 4 to 6 hours to set up, and then overnight, so 24 hours before you put it into service. So, but in this case, I'll come out in four or so hours, and I'll put another coat, because I got the hole covered up, so that's going to give it a good base. And then I'll put another, I'll make another coat of this and put it over the top of that, and we should be good. Because with that, all we're doing is keeping exhaust from going out. Also the heat will also cure this faster as well. So that's where we're at. I appreciate it watching, and I'll bring it back with me when I finish this up. We're back. It's been 24 hours. I'm gonna put another coat on this. The nice thing about it now is it's warm. Even though today it is 32 degrees out, where yesterday it was in the high 50s. So I'm taking the JB Weld in the house. Oop. Yeah. Took it in the house last night, so it's room temperature. It doesn't affect, once you got it mixed, it doesn't affect the curing time. Still 4 hours. 4 hours, and then 24 hours. I don't have the package anymore, so I looked up the original JB Weld, because I wasn't sure temperature wise whether it was going to withstand the heat or not, but come to find out, it's good to 500 degrees. It has like a PSI of 3,200 PSI. So I was just wondering whether it was going to withstand the heat. I thought it would. Just wanted to make sure before I went and bought some exhaust cement. That's what I call it. Exhaust cement. Okay. Back on there. Get more on top of it, which is my plan. Here we go. Yay! Back in there again. Oh man, I said I can't wait to get a lift, because I definitely need one. Alright. Yep, nice and solid. Point. Okay. So I can concentrate on building up the Oh, there, man. Right. Right there. Alrighty. Secure that side. Jesus. Oh. Okay. Yeah, okay. I thought I had it. Ah. Stick my finger in it. Wow. I thought I had a good layer on that. Gee. Got hard right away. Huh. Well, yeah. Disappointed because that side did not get a good the big hole did not get a good fill. I'd have gotten a good cover over it, but it didn't. It did not. Son of a gun. Got you now, didn't I? Can't see on top of that. See through the... Very nice. Get this side. It's curing quick. Alrighty. Looks like I got it this time. Okay. Alrighty. Well, this time I got it this time. Should be in good shape. Alrighty. Well, it takes care of that. It ain't taking no time to cure either, so so it'll be good. It'll be good in 4 hours. Well, actually, the whole one side is good now. All I did was put another layer on top of it, make it even stronger, and then the other side just still had a hole, but anyway, that is already non-workable, so that worked great. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and we'll catch you on the next project, Escape. And don't forget to take a look at my description down below and the link. It might be a blessing to you. So thanks again for watching. We'll catch you on the next project, Escape.